What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, party people? Welcome back. It's your girl, TonyaNicole, and I'm so happy that y'all clicked that button to watch me today, to spend your Monday morning, afternoon, and night with me, watching me unbox Slay Glam for this beautiful Monday. Guys, do y'all realize that it's 2 days before Christmas? Really? I haven't even finished none of my shopping, y'all. Shame on me, huh? I know. I'm going to get it together soon, I hope. Girls and boys, today we have, my hair keeps getting stuck to my mouth. Today, guys, we have, well, you won't be able to see because it's still in the bag, Slay Glam Beauty box. And now I just got it. I got this box a Thursday, and you guys saw my Ipsy Glam bag unbagging, and that was like, girl, Ipsy is just, ooh, we're not even gonna get into that on this video. We're not even doing it because I don't want to be mad doing my Slay Glam. But I do want to give a special shout out to my 5 first commenters. Y'all know this video is pre-recorded, guys, so I won't be able to say your names, but I will put them down here. Special shout out to you guys for being my first 5 commenters. I'm still thinking of ideas for the 2K giveaway. I don't know what I want to do. If I want to do one big winner, do 4 or 5 or 6 winners. I don't know yet. So hopefully in my next video on Wednesday for Christmas, you guys will know what we're doing, okay? Because I see we steady growing and I'm so excited. Oh my God. I do want to say, if you have not subscribed to your girl, you need to go on and hit that subscribe button. Be a part of this family. Also, if my bomb ass subscriber squad people would do me a favor, I want y'all to let Slay Glam know on her Instagram. She's doing PR for 2020. And I need you guys to go into her post and recommend your girl, TonyaNicole, to receive some PR for 2020. But I would appreciate it if you guys let her know that I would be perfect for PR in 2020. If you don't mind, thank you very much. So guys, without further ado, we're gonna get into the specs of this box. We're gonna unbox her, final thought it out. Y'all know what come next, so let's get it on and poppin'. You need a dance break and a drink break? Today I got a Coke Zero, y'all, no liquor. For you guys that do not know, Slay Glam box is a $24 per month beauty subscription. It does come with free shipping, but she does offer the option to get priority shipping for $5.95 extra each month, $5.95 extra each month. You get 5 to 7 beauty products, and it's supposed to have a minimum value of $100. She does have the option where you can customize your box on Instagram or email. And if you use the code TonyaSlays, you can get some money off of your box. So yes, guys, let's get on into it. So we're gonna cut this little bag open here because I ain't even opened it yet, like I told y'all. And this is what she looking like in this cute little purse thing here that I absolutely love. And let's open it. Ooh, baby, she is packed and full. Every month, Slay Glam comes with a card. From the card says, Slay Glam box, thank you for subscribing, with her social media handles on the front here. And on the back, we get a list of all of the products we received in the box, as well as the prices. On the bottom here, it says, try our new lash box. Get 5 pairs of luxury lashes for $15 a month and free shipping. Use the code ISLAY for $10 off. So let's get on into it, baby. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to pull from what I see here. And first up, we have something in bubble wrap. Okay, and this is from J Cat Beauty, a Fab 5 eyeshadow palette here. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my friends. And it is taped, but we're going to open it up so I can see the shades a little better. It does come with this little tool here that I'm going to put right back in there. And this is the palette right there. Let's pull it down. That's the palette, 5 shades right here. It's a cute little palette. And guys, let's see what this retails for. And this is the J Cat Beauty Fab 5 eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $4.99. Now, I know that I will not be using this product, so I'm probably going to be giving it away in this video. So I'll put the giveaway rules down below, and I'll probably be just giving this to one of my lucky bomb-ass subscriber squad people, you know. Up next, guys, we have from Rasha Cosmetics, which I think is the owner of the Slay Glam box. And this is a lip liner set, and this is what the box looks like, guys. And we're gonna open her up. 3 pencils here. Okay, good deal. Now, last month or the month before, I can't remember which one, she gave us 3 eyeliners as well, or lip liners, something. But these are lip liners, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, these are lip liners. So we get 3 lip liners, and one is in the shade Natural, this one right here. Let's take off the cap. Ooh, it's one of those, you know how the ColourPop have the ColourPop has the pen, it's not like a, I don't know what you would call it. You can sharpen it with a sharpener, but if y'all know, I know y'all gonna let me know in the comments. So let me know what this type of pencil is called. But I do like this pencil. This one is in the shade Natural, and I'm gonna, we're not gonna swatch this one because I think this one might be too pink for me. So I'm gonna put it in the giveaway with this for today's video. So that's gonna go with that one, but I am gonna swatch these two. Ooh, this is in the shade Nude right here. That is pretty, guys. I hope you guys can see that. That is a beautiful color, gorgeous. And we have the shade Cranberry right there, which I know I'm gonna love this one. Ooh, it's so dark. Oh, girl, yes, it is so creamy. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. These are nice. I love them. So these two are the swatched out ones there. And I'm not going to swatch this one because it's just too light. But we did get 3 lip liners. What subscription box you know gives you 3 lip liners? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Exactly. And let's see what these retail for. And these are the Rasha Cosmetics 3-piece lip liner set, and they retail for $19, guys. And I can see that. They are really creamy, guys. So up next from Kaelyn Cosmetics, we have this blender, Master Makeup Blender. And this is a premium sponge. It's 7-piece detachable sponge. Okay, this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And we're gonna open it. Let's see. So it's a 7-piece detachable non-latex sponge. It's designed with a smooth surface and edges to reach each contour of the face. It can be used wet or dry. Creates a flawless application and allows makeup to adhere to the skin without excess makeup lines or streaks left behind. Oh, okay, cool. So when we pull it out, it's this little thing that's stuck together, and all of the sponges, I'm gonna pull one off. That's how it looks. So you can pull them off and set your makeup, blend out your concealer, apply your powder. As you can see, it has like a little groove here, which is perfect. I'm serious, guys. It fits perfectly under the eyes, perfectly around the nose. So these would be good to blend out concealer, apply your setting powder. I don't know about foundation. I've never applied my foundation with this before, but I'm down to try it, of course. And let's see what this retails for. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all, now, Slay Glam Boo is killing it this month, because we didn't get 1 sponge, baby. We got 7 sponges. She could have easily pulled this off, put this in a box, and gave us 1. But we got a whole 7-piece. Like, girl. Let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Kaelyn Cosmetics Master Makeup Blender, and it retails for $25. 25 bucks. You need a drink break and a dance break? I do. I hope y'all be dancing with me on my drink breaks and dance breaks. Y'all better be dancing with me. Moving along. Up next, guys, we got from Spoiled Lips, this liquid lipstick set here, I guess. It's in the shade Girlfriend. Okay, let's open her up. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, y'all. It's got like a reflective, so I'm not gonna be blinding y'all. Oh, okay. And this is the set, guys. We get 6. Oh, what is this? Lipsticks or lip? It is 6 lipsticks, liquid lipsticks from Spoiled Cosmetics. Now, Now, I'm gonna let y'all, I'm gonna just sit there on y'all and wait to tell me who give y'all 6, girl. This baby Slick Glam is cutting up. She is cutting up. This is what you call a December box. This is how you do it in December. This is, this right here, babe, this is how you do it in December. Let me show y'all all the colors. They are very pretty, gorgeous colors. Now I'm gonna swatch some of them, some that I know I won't use. I'm not gonna swatch, I'm gonna put it in today's giveaway. So babe, it's Christmas for y'all too. Y'all. So guys, up first we have the shade Pooh Bear. This is the shade Pooh Bear. And it's a lot of nudes. Doesn't have a scent, but this is what it looks like, the applicator. I don't wanna swatch this one because I don't know if I will use this one. We also have the shade Peaches right here. And that's what that one looks like. We have the shade Sweet Pea right there. Sweet Pea is very pretty. Let's see. Oh, it smells, they smell like, you know how it smells, like cotton candy. I am gonna swatch Sweet Pea. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't have. That one is a little too pink. Oh, I'll give this one to my niece because, yeah, that one is a little too pink for me, guys. We have Puppet here. Now, this shade I know I will use, so I'm going to swatch that one. Oh, yeah, Puppet is definitely, oh, yeah, Puppet is the one for me. Y'all know I'm into dark colors. And I think I'm going to apply Puppet right now. Let's apply Puppet. Line my lips with the Rasha Cosmetics Cranberry. Let's apply Puppet. See? Just my color. Just my color. That's Puppet. Look at that, boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so this one is a definite winner for me. Also, Wifey is another one that I probably will wear. Let's see if we can swatch this. Oh yeah, look at that. That's definitely my type of color. Woo! Wifey is it. Oh, Wifey is it. I love Wifey. I'm gonna add a little bit to the middle. And we have a Honey, this one right here. Now I know I'm not gonna use this one, so I'm just gonna show you guys like that. So yes, guys, we got 6 liquid lipsticks in this box, 6 of them, 6. Now I'm going to put Honey, Peaches, and Pooh Bear in the giveaway for today, along with this pencil and this eyeshadow palette. So yeah, babe, yes. And let's see what these retail for, guys. And this, guys, is the Spoiled Lips Cosmetics lipstick set, and it retails for $25, guys. And last but not least, my friends, we have another palette. Right there. It's nice and bubble wrapped. So this is from Rasha Cosmetics again, and it's called 'Tis the Season eyeshadow palette. That's what we're looking like with the packaging. We slide that baby out right there like that. And, oh, okay. She does come with a mirror. Hey, girl. And this is the palette, guys. Look at that. Look how gorgeous this palette is. This is a beautiful palette, and I have to swatch them. Oh, and they feel so nice. You got some matte colors. You got some shimmer colors. The matte shades are, the first one is a little powdery, but the rest of them swatched out good. And the last 2 look really nice. They're not highly pigmented, but this is one swipe, so I'm sure it could be built up. That's that gold color. I love the gold. It's oh, that's gorgeous. So yes, let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the Rasha Cosmetics 'Tis the Season eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $28. Okay, my folks, that was the final product. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we're gonna be done. So we received this Rasha Cosmetics eyeshadow palette here. We received from Kaelyn Cosmetics the 7-piece sponge here. We received from Rasha Cosmetics these 3 lip liners here. Oops. From Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. I'm not going to put all 6, but we received 6 liquid lipsticks here. And from JCat Beauty, we received this mini eyeshadow palette here. I think that's it. Yeah. 5 products for this month. These 3, which will be going in the giveaway today. All of the details for the giveaway will be listed below, guys. So good luck to you all. So final thoughts on this box is, okay, this is how you do a December box. These companies need to take note. This is how you do a December box. To get not 1, not 2, but 3 lip liners. And I think that the shades are pretty universal. This one here, I think would even work for a deeper skin toned person that likes to wear like lighter colored lips, more nude lips. I just don't like a light pencil like this. I'm more into deeper, deeper shades like these 2. I like that. Those are the shades that I like. So I do like that the shades are quite universal. I do like that you get 6 mini lipsticks. Like that is out of this world. Like, y'all, you get 7 sponges, you get a whole eyeshadow palette, a mini shadow. I mean, y'all, I don't know what to say. I mean, to me, this is a good month for Slay Glam. This is how you go out with a bang. So yes, Slay Glam, this was a good box. And if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wolves. 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving Slay Glam for the month of December a whopping, we're going to go with the 5, boo. Yes, we're going to give them a 5. This box was great for this month. It was amazing. I think the value is good for $24 a month. I mean, I don't know what to say. I love the box. I thought it was good. This was a good month. Good job, Slay Glam. So yes, guys, let me know your rating down below, what you would give this box for this month. Are you subscribed to Slay Glam? Let me know in the comments. Let's discuss these products. Let me know what you're thinking, what you think is good about the box, what you think could have been improved about the box. If you think it's a 5, a 1, or 3, I want to know your thoughts. Y'all know I love interacting with you guys. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to me, go on and hit that subscribe button. We're going to have a big 2K giveaway really soon. I should have the details in my next video for you guys on the date and how we're going to do the giveaway. Also, if you have not followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me down on Instagram. All of the links are down below. I will be doing giveaways starting in January on my Instagram account. And I'm going to be uploading more lifestyle things on my Instagram, like shop with me's and little quick get ready with me videos. If you guys are watching my channel, y'all go ahead and screenshot it and send me a message on Instagram so I can show everybody how my bomb ass subscribers support me, boo. Y'all know I love y'all, right? Absolutely. Don't forget, guys, go over to Slay Glam's Instagram and let her know that I definitely should be considered for PR. Y'all know. Because look, y'all, I'm going broke on these boxes, yeah. Shit. That's all that I have, guys. I hope you guys are having fun out there shopping. I will see you guys on Wednesday for Christmas. It's Christmas time, y'all. And I hope you all have a blessed, safe day. Y'all be safe out there. Be warm, stay blessed, stay prayed up, stay all of that good stuff. I love you all so much. Oh, and don't forget, always stay positive. I love you guys. I'll see you all on Wednesday. Peace. Bye.